see what we can build today. Got a nice lawnmower handle. Got a spare bicycle wheel. Steel frame from a Ryobi power washer. Got a spare bicycle. I have an idea. Tack that bad boy in. Put a little plate on there. Drill a hole in it. That'll hold the back wheel. That's how I tube notch. Attached to the bike. Still gonna do another brace from up here, down low. Got a flat tire, but it's working. What we got so far? Piece of the power washer handle. This is the top of the lawnmower handle. This is the bottom half of that lawnmower handle. I cut it here, welded it, put an extension on there so my foot has plenty of room for the pedals. Now I'm going to do some gussets. And I want to do a brace from here all the way up to here. And that should give me strength where I need it. I really don't trust this tube's very thin. So if I can find another way to get another tube somehow. I don't know. We'll just try it. See what happens. I'll just keep welding pieces on until I love it. Alright, she's fully welded. She got some gussets where I think she needs it. Stay tuned for next episode. I'm going to build the actual car for the sidecar. And I'm going to make it so we can put in a baby seat so I can strap my grandson in, take him for rides. And we're going to paint this thing. So stay tuned.